Good morning, students of class 4. How are you? I am Vijay Kumar Das from Mahatma Gandhi Shikshan Sansthan, Wajidpur, Darbhanga. Today, I am going to dictate you the remaining question answers from the lesson Mowgli and the Bandar Log. Okay, you can copy the question answers through this video. So, take out your pen and copy and be ready to write the question answers. Are you ready? Now read this line from the story and answer the questions that follow. The line is, "Oh Mowgli, why did I not warn you?" This is the line. Your first question is, who said these words? Your answer is, Balu said these words. Who said these words? Balu said these words. Now come to second question. What did he not warn Mowgli about? What did he not warn Mowgli about? Your answer is, he did not warn Mowgli about his kidnap. Have you written? He did not warn Mowgli about his kidnap. Now come to third question. Why was the speaker blaming himself? Why was the speaker blaming himself? The answer is, the speaker was blaming himself because he had forgotten to warn his friend Mowgli about the mischief of the Bandar Log. Okay, listen it again. The speaker was blaming himself because he had forgotten to warn his friend Mowgli about the mischief of the Bandar Log. Okay, now come to question number fourth. What happened immediately after this? Your answer is, just then Bagheera and Balu heard a voice calling out to them from the sky. Listen it again. Just then Bagheera and Balu heard a voice calling out to them from the sky. Dear students, now open at page number 8 and let us do vocabulary. Let us learn vocabulary. You know that a synonym is a word that have same meaning. You know that a synonym is a word that means the same as another word. Okay, look at some examples. The first sentence, the Bandar Log wanted to make Mowgli their leader. Here, leader, observe leader. And the second sentence, the Bandar Log wanted to make Mowgli their chief. Observe these two words, leader and chief. They have same meaning. Okay, so these two words are synonyms to each other. Okay, now fill in the blanks with the correct synonyms of the underlined words. Choose the word from the box. First word, located, difficult, purchases, intelligent, firm, and old. Here you have to fill the blanks with these words from these words. Choose the correct word that is opposite, that is similar in meaning of the word underlined word. Okay, first word, first sentence is, Hema has found a new road which leads to her house. She has also a dash bookshop near her house. Here found is underlined. Okay, here you have to find the word meaning having same meaning. Found and located, these are similar in meaning. ठीक है, here fill the blanks with the word located. Okay, now come to sentence number second. My mother buys, here buys is underlined. My mother buys fruits from a shop in Chandni Chowk. She always dash fruits from the seller. Okay, buys and purchase. Right here, purchase. 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 Okay. Now come to sentence number third. The number system was invented in ancient India. The number system was invented in ancient India. This old system is still in use. Here, ancient and old are similar in meaning. Here, write old. Now come to sentence number four. Ahmad is very clever. Here, clever is underlined. Okay, he is the most intelligent in the class, in his class. He is the most intelligent in his class. Okay, clever and intelligent are similar in meaning. Okay, number fifth. Moving to another city was a hard decision for my family, but my parents had to take this difficult decision. Okay, hard and difficult, they are similar in meaning. Okay, here you have to write difficult. Number six, she was a strong woman. She was a strong woman. Strong, the word strong is underlined. She was dash when faced with difficulties. She was firm, F-I-R-M, firm here, firm, F-I-R-M, firm. Write this word here. Put firm here. This word here, firm. Now, let us learn antonyms. You know, antonyms are the words opposite in meanings. Okay, antonyms are words that have opposite meaning. For example, day and night, good and bad, bad, here and there. Okay, these are opposite in meanings. Now, let us do antonyms. First sentence at page number 9. Gaurav had lost his notebook. Here, lost is underlined. Here, you have to fill the blanks with the opposite in meaning. Lost and found. He has still not found it. Found. Right here, found. Next, second sentence. Nikita is never cruel to animals. Here, cruel is underlined. Okay? She is very kind. Cruel and kind are opposite in meaning. Please answer my questions. Here, questions are under question is underlined. Question and answer. These two words are opposite in meaning. Please answer my question. Question number four. Sentence number four. This bird is not very common here. It is a rare animal. Common and rare. They are opposite in meaning. Common and rare. R-A-R-E. Number fifth. Preeti's mother thought that she was asleep, but she was wide awake. Asleep and awake. A-W-A-K-E, awake. They are opposite in meaning. Okay. They are opposite in meaning. Now, students, you have to learn the word meanings, means vocabulary, synonyms and antonyms. Okay, in this way you can improve your word power. Okay, learn the question answers that you have written here. Today's work is over. Thank you.